Tension within the ruling party ZANU-PF reached a boiling point today at State House, Harare, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa appeared to be under intense scrutiny from his deputy, Vice President Chiwenga. Muzora nhasi atinombokomenta zvakawanda, but toda ngoti munge muchiona mapictures ari kutendera pasocial media panapa siya muri kuona video. Muchiona aiwa SVP Chiwenga wanowekama mutungamiri wenyika pari kudzoka officially from zororo or leave. Panapa pane mapictures ari kutendera muchiona kuti aiwa eye contact anga achirohwa panguva inoi. Panguva iyoyo vakomana akanyatsoratidza kuti vakomana ava vari kutyanana. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell. The media address the high-level meeting convened to bring together provincial ministers and heads of government departments took place against the backdrop of a growing power struggle between the two leaders over succession. While the meeting was officially framed as a routine government briefing, images from the event suggest a different story. A widely circulated photograph captures a seemingly tense movement between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, with the latter engaging the president in an intense exchange. Meanwhile, the two figures in the background who appear to be closely aligned with Chiwenga are seen observing the interaction with calculated seriousness. The images fueled speculation that Chiwenga's scam is ramping up pressure on Mnangagwa as the battle for control of ZANU-PF intensifies. The president's decision to continue holding government meetings despite being officially on leave, he has also raised eyebrows. Ndo zvamuri kuona mapictures ayo amuri kuona kuti aiwa vakomana vari background vamuri kuona avo vari kunzi maloyalist general aiwa eye contact yakapiwa avo panyange mutungamiri wenyika anyatsoona kuti aiwa situation ari iri very tense. Vakomana ava ameno zvavakaronga and mutungamiri wenyika ameno zvavakaronga. Imbodzai mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Chitiko chisingabudi kana kuti vanhu vakomende, but vanhu vanongozvionera vega kuti aiwa these guys they are in a deep political turmoil. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon.